Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 3. We saved the best for last. Now this watch face is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you take full advantage of this watch face while the offer still lasts. Now this watch face is coming from Express Moment. This guy is doing awesome work with these watch faces, and I love the fact that he's offering this one up for free. So make sure you thank this guy in the door for the donation of this super awesome watch face. Now let's take a closer look at it. The name of the watch face is called Strong Square. It's a nice looking analog / digital watch face. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get an elegant look out of this watch face in this black and white theme, which looks really nice. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the blending of colors. I like the look of the index. The color of the index really blends in with this color really nice. Now what you're going to get in these dials at the top is your step goal completed right here. Also, you're going to get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get your battery info down at the bottom. You're going to get your step info, calories burned, and your heart rate information. So you have everything you need for your step status, for going out and exercising. Not bad at all for a free watch face. And I like the fact that he's offering up shortcuts as well. So if I tap right here, I can go in, check my contacts, make a phone call. Here, I can pull up my calendar, set an event if I so choose. If I tap right here, I can pull up calories burned, step info, floor climb, water intake, sleep info. Everything I need for my step status is right there. And if I tap right here, I can pull up my weather, which makes this an awesome, convenient watch face to have on your wrist. But also what you could do, this video isn't going to do it justice on the color, so you have to check this out for yourself, okay? Double tap, and you can change the color theme of this watch face, and you have many to choose from. This one is super awesome. I like what the developer did with this watch face. Not bad at all. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like, and you're all good. So hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know what you thought of this freebie. Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm hoping you're having the greatest weekend ever. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.